right, so you know spring is coming, so if the fits is gonna be given, the skin gotta be given too. So I'm gonna show you guys how I maintain my natural glow. I love products that are easy on the skin and even easier on the wallet, which is why I cleanse with Vanicream. You can find her right on Amazon for like $8, girl. Alright, so now that we're all clean, we're gonna move on to toner. I love this Paula's Choice toner. And when I apply toner, I just go like skin on skin.
Oh, that's nasty.
She got that hyaluronic acid. Don't play with her. Then I go in with some vitamin C. But vitamin C tends to be kind of expensive. I think most serums, you know, are pretty pricey. So I like to use a very sparing amount.
That's $2.89 worth
Vitamin C. But I like to focus the vitamin C on like the dark spots on my face. So one happens to be right in the middle on my nose. I just pat it in there, give her a little bit of extra love. Now it's time to moisturize. Now this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. And it smells so freaking good. And I love to just like pat the moisturizer in. Now this last step is the ultimate trick for dewy skin. Okay, so you heard it here first. This is how I maintain my natural golden glow. And you can find all these products on my Amazon under skincare. Bye.